Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to YouTube. Welcome to the trade recap. So last night I made a video, or actually it was Sunday night, so 2 days in advance, I made a premium trading chat video that said, that posted my analysis for the upcoming week. And what I wanted to see happen was these two daily lows get swept and then see a return and a reverse to target the new week opening gap. Because we gapped down so hard off the open, which you can see over here. Hold up. So we made this huge gap down and then made this little market maker model and then sold off. So last night when we were selling off, people started telling me, "Oh, great call out, bro." Like, okay, eat my nuts, because I was still bullish. And what did I say in the pre-market bias? I said I'm very bullish. We're respecting a 4-hour gap right over here with an SMT externally, which you can see here. Those lows had not been taken yet. Respected this 4-hour, and I wanted to see us displace back above this daily low. What else? We have a unfilled 4-hour above us, and of course, that new week opening gap. So what happens at open? We pump, and we immediately get, what's it called? Displaced past London high and the 4-hour gap, and because of all that momentum, we made a 5-minute. So what do we do when we make 5 minutes? I always look for those continuations to follow my bias. Now, would people think this is risky because we're trading against a London high sweep and a 4-hour fair value gap tap? Yes, and honestly, you could have caught these shorts and you would have probably banked and been done for the day earlier than me. So good shit. But I was still confident in the bias. I didn't want to marry it, but I wanted to see how we'd react off this 5-minute. We open up this 5-minute. We bleed into it. Beautiful V shape. Look at the momentum through the huge candle. Internal SMT. And then I took TP1 here. I wanted a new high of day because these were stacked highs. But we made an SMT. So I took off most right here. And then my trailing got hit about here. So I ended up making about 230 per account when risking 300. No big deal. Wanted my runners to hit the new high of day. And then we made another move down. And now we're really fucking pumping. So my trade ended up catching like 38 points. 38 points. And if you took like a long like this, you'd be up more like 60. So really just chopping along in this market, like complete fucking zigzag right now. But I was able to catch the move out of the 5. Super, super obvious. Let's go through the checklist. Rejection out of a higher time frame PD array. Yes. What the... Yo, I just got so fucking nervous. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the volume button... Like the sound button went on Top Step, so I thought it just placed me in a fucking trade, but it was a notification. Oh my god. Oh yeah, here's the execution, by the way. On 5 accounts. Dude, that just scared the fuck. And a trade of 5. That's times 3. Dude, fuck. All right, so the 5-minute respect was our rejection out of a higher time frame PD array. We did have an internal SMT. We did have an IFEG. We did have an external SMT with the 4-hour one right here with London Low. Or the one that London Low made. And then, of course, targeting external liquidity, we had this new week opening gap and even Asia highs above. This is a fucking A+ continuation trade. I can't put it into words how beautiful of a trade this is, and it was executed perfectly. Glad that I got out with my SMT, because if I went break even, or if I didn't take any partials, or even kept my stop where it was, would have been stopped out, or actually would have just been faded, stopped out, and then it would have hit, but, you know, whatever. So yeah, very, very, very good day. 15-minute work day for the kid. Did it on the call. I'm not going to be trading tomorrow because I'm going to be in New York City. But then that's my last visit for a while, and then I'm able to trade every single day. I'm going to be live for the premium Thursday and Friday. And yeah, that's about it. So very, very easy continuation. Saw this coming from a mile away. Called it out days in advance. And yeah, that's what we do here. All right, all done.